we'll start off just face up as we did, as we wait for everyone to just kind of find the space. And take a moment here, eyes dropping closed, and let your heart connect to all of ours that are in the room together. Let your heart connect to all of the hearts that are in your home and out into your neighborhood, remembering that the expansive and unlimited nature of our heart energy and our love energy. The more we practice allowing it to reach out, the further and more it's felt. This is a true story. Palms are pressing up. Heart is expanding and connecting to all of ours and everyone around you. We're going to move our hands here in a gesture of bringing love toward us and then offering love back out into the world. It's very simply, our palms are going to stay open, the fingers nice and long, and left hand will come first. As you inhale, you're going to bring the heart energy to your heart. And as you exhale, you're going to just send it back out into the air, into the universe, palms out as the arms extend all the way out. And then inhale, you're cupping the air around you, the love around you, guiding it into your heart. And as you exhale, you're sending that love back out, everything healed, everything whole, everything expanding. And inhale as you bring the hands toward you, and we'll continue with this for about 2 minutes. Just with the imagery that you're guiding love toward you and then sending it back out into the universe. And if this gesture feels familiar to you, if this feels completely comfortable and natural to you, it's because we've all done it before. I wrote a beautiful article that I'll share on the page with you, but when we are an embryo, when we are growing our physical heart, our hands butt out from that heart. And as we grow, the hands come to guide the heart inward into our physical lung cavity, into that physical space where our heart now lives. Our hands grow out of our heart and very gently guide it to where it goes. And once the heart is in place, once it finds its home, the hands turn outward. This happens with all of us as we grow, as we are creating ourselves out of nothing. Sit here with this very familiar gesture, guiding love inward. And then letting it expand outward. Inhale, bring your hands to your heart. Bow your head. Feel that love rest. Feel that love heal you. You may stay here or lie down. guiding yourself into a place of rest.